Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to blur video background in CapCut. The first thing you need to do is that you duplicate the clip which you have. So I am using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, copy and paste. The second thing we want to do is we want to go to the clip above, go to video, go to remove background, and we're gonna use the auto removal tool because this is the easiest one and it's gonna be processing for you, but I've done this already before, so it's not processing for me. It's gonna take a bit of time because it's a video clip, not just a photo. What happened now basically is we removed the background of the clip above. So as you can see, if I drag this here, but the background is removed. We just couldn't see it here because I have a clip underneath, so I have the full clip underneath. So we're gonna basically use the clip underneath as the background. So this is gonna be the background layer. Since we want to blur the background, we're gonna go to effects, search for blur, and we're gonna use this blur effect and just drag it between the two clips. If you can see the blue line between the clips, it's gonna be between the clips, okay? And we just put it on the whole clip, and now we applied this to the background because the underneath layer is the background. As you can see, it's not too aesthetic because it's, first of all, it's too strong. Second of all, the girls also have some of the blur with them. So what we're gonna do is first we're just gonna make it, click on the blur effect and just make it more natural. So this is 0, this was ours, and we're gonna make it the most natural possible. Yeah, so I'm gonna make it like that. And the second thing we're gonna do is just click on the layer above, so the clip which we removed the background of, go to video and remove background. And so we're gonna change the feather because as you can see, if I change the feather, I am making the mask a little bit more accurate because now the nose is fully blurred and now it's not so blurred, so it's making it more accurate. You can also expand the mask a little bit, but you need to look at the whole picture because if I expand too much, it's visible that it's a mask around the girls. So we're not gonna expand. Instead of expanding, what I want to do is just go to the video above, go with this arrow, go to adjustment, go to basic, and just scroll down to sharpen. And we're just gonna sharpen the layer on top a little bit because it's making the girls sharper, and this way it's looking much better. If I was looking at my taste, I would also make the blur just really small. And now the playback is bad quality, but the exported video is gonna look good because if you look at the frames, you can see that it's looking pretty decent. Alright, so all in all, this is how to blur background in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.